Hello everyone, this is Ashwini from Parthenium Projects. Today we are going to see online shopping. Nowadays we can see most of the product are being purchased through online. So here is an online shopping project developed by our team Parthenium Projects. Before seeing the project demo, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel. Here you can see the website developed by our team Parthenium Projects. So this is the home screen. Here you have different menus, home, products. So you have products listed here. Here you have different categories and sellers. Next it is about us. So here we are displaying about the company. Here frequently asked question. So frequently asked question is most frequently asked question is displayed here. Checkout page shows the customer to pay his bill step by step. Next is contact us. Here you'll get the company information. This is about the basic menus here. So next is registering. When you want to use a particular software or a website, first you need to register. So register is free sign up. So here you are going to give the basic details about the user. So enter the name, first name, last name, contact detail, email address, password, confirm the password and sign up. So once when it is sign up, you can log in into the website. So I have pressed the password. Now I'm going to log in. This is the login page. Here you can see welcome to Ashwini and here you can see my account. This is the account details. So here if I want to change any details, I can change it and update my account. So next is my cart. Here whichever the product I have added to the cart, that will be displayed here. Then checkout is once when I finalize my product, I can check out, pay the bill and get my product. So last one is logout. So this is the user end. Here is a search bar. You can search any of the products. I'll press the logout. So this is about the user. Now we are going to see the admin section. This is the admin login page. So I'm going to give the admin login details. I'm going to press the password and log in here. So once when I log in, here this is the admin panel. So here you can see admin menu. So these are the different options given to the admin. So the first one is home. Next one is admin profile. So here if you want to update the admin profile, you can change the details and you can give update. If admin wants to change the password, he need to go to change password, give the admin ID, old password, new password, confirm the password and update the password. Next one is admin accounts. So here you are going to give the admin name, admin ID, password, confirm the password, email ID and contact number and add admin. Here you can add more than one admin. So whenever you want to add an admin, you need to go to admin account and add the particular details and add that particular admin. So next is category. So if it is a online shopping, you have many categories. It might be books, clothing, accessories, men's, women's, any of the category. Whenever you want to add it, you need to come here, add the category name, give the description and give submit. So once when you give the detail, that detail will be displayed over here. Next is view product. So here you can see different products. So whenever you want to add up some product, I'm going to give category book, sub category science and supplier name view product. So here under this particular condition, none of the product is there. So it is not displaying. So whenever you want to search particular product, you have to give the condition, you have to select the category, you have to select the subcategory, you have to select the suppliers, then view product. Under that particular condition, whatever the condition you have given, so according to that, details will be displayed. Next comes the message. So if there is any message sent by the user, so all those messages are stored in the database here. So next one is add supplier. So in any of the shopping websites, you have more than one suppliers. So each and every new suppliers, you are going to add it here. So you are going to give the company ID, company name, login ID, password, confirm the password, choose the logo of the company, give the company ID, company address, country, state, contact detail and add supplier. So once when you press the add, that particular suppliers will be added to the database. And for suppliers, there is different options given in this particular website that we are going to see in the next few minutes. So next is reports. So here reports are nothing but bills, total bills. Here you can see the overall reports. So here you have contact of all the purchase. So here you can see the bill ID, customer name, price, discount, total amount, purchase date and deliver date. So these are the different contents displayed under reports. Last one is logout. So once when I log out, it comes out of the admin section. Now we are going to see the last part, the supplier. So supplier need to give his email ID and password and login. Now I'm going to log in into the supplier login. So I'll give my ID, I'll give the password and login here. Okay, this is the supplier page, admin profile. That is, here you are going to give the admin, login, email and contact us categories. So here, if you want to, if a supplier want to add the details, he can add category name, description. Once he is added, it will display it here. Next, view customer. The supplier can view the customer. You can see customer name. So whenever the supplier wants to search something, so he can search according to the name or customer ID or email address. Once when he press the email ID and search, that particular customer name, contact information, contact number, email ID, last login, action, everything he'll get. Messages from the users will be displayed. Add supplier. Now I have logged in into the supplier details, supplier page. So here you can see home, supplier profile. This is a supplier profile. I have given a demo ID, company name. I have chosen the logo, given the company address, country, state and a contact number. So whenever you want to change anything, you can change it here and press update. That is supplier profile. Next is changing the password. If the supplier want to change his password, he can change it. So first he need to give the login ID, old password, new password, confirm the password and press update password. Next is adding products. So the supplier duty is to add the products. So here supplier is going to give the first he is going to give the category, select the category, subcategory, supplier name, product name, description about the product, choose the product images, warrant, price, discount, discount for that particular product, whether it is in stock, whether it is available, whether it is out of stock, he is going to select. Deliver date, start at is nothing but like that particular discount is for particular days. So here he is going to give the starting date and the ending date, add product. So once when the product is added, that will be displayed on the screen. Whenever the users search for that particular product, that will be displayed. Next is viewing the products. So that particular supplier, whichever the product he has uploaded, so those things he can see here. So product information will be displayed under here. So price will be displayed, duration and the status. Status is nothing but whether it is available or not. Next is message. If we have any messages, that will be displayed over here. Reports is bills here. If the customer has been purchased his product, so those will be generated and stored over here. Then last one is logout. So this is about the online shopping. If you need any customization, we are going to do the customization. For the further details, the details are given in the description box. If you like this video, please like our video, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.